This project showcases the transformation of the outdoor patio at Pie Bar Restaurant through the replacement of the existing stationary awning fabric and the installation of new, motorized retractable awnings. The original fixed awning structure was in good condition, making it an excellent candidate for a fabric replacement rather than a complete rebuild. By installing new, premium commercial-grade fabric, the restaurant gained a fresh, modern appearance while extending the life of the existing aluminum frame and significantly reducing renovation costs. At the same time, our team installed heavy-duty motorized retractable awnings to expand the patio's functionality. New mounting brackets were securely anchored to the building structure, followed by the installation of protective aluminum hood covers that shield the awnings from the weather when retracted. Each awning was carefully positioned, aligned, electrically connected, and tested to ensure smooth, reliable operation. This combination of a refurbished stationary awning and new retractable awnings offers restaurants the best of both worlds. The stationary awning provides permanent protection over entrances and key seating areas, while the retractable awnings allow staff to adjust the amount of shade throughout the day with the touch of a button. On hot sunny days, the awnings create a comfortable dining environment, keeping guests cooler and protecting them from harmful UV rays. During light rain, they provide additional weather protection, allowing customers to continue enjoying the patio and helping restaurants maximize seating capacity. When the weather is pleasant or during the evening, the awnings can be fully retracted to let in natural sun. Custom solutions designed to enhance your business for years to come.